Are you tired of your small business finances feeling like one massive, confusing pile of money? That's exactly where I was. As a small business owner, I struggled for ages with a single bank account where everything, income, taxes, payroll, expenses, just got dumped in together. It created constant confusion and made budgeting a nightmare. I needed clarity, control, and a system that actually simplified my life, and that's why I started using Relay Bank. So, how can you use Relay to transform your small business finances? I've found 3 core ways that make it a game changer. 1. Master cash flow with multiple accounts. The single most valuable feature I've found is the ability to open up to 20 checking accounts at no extra charge. This is essential for proper money management. I immediately adopted the Profit First model, which Relay is built to support. Instead of one income account, I now have separate accounts labeled and set aside for income, where all revenue initially lands. Taxes, my estimated taxes are immediately set aside so I'm never surprised on filing day. Owner's pay, I transfer my consistent salary here. Profit, a non-negotiable percentage that builds my savings and cushion. Operating expenses, OPEX, the clear budget for my daily running costs. This completely eliminated the question, can I afford that? I only spend what's in the OPEX account. The clarity is instantaneous. 2. Automate your money. Organizing is one thing, staying organized is another. The best part? Relay allows you to automate transfers between these accounts. For me, I set up a rule: every Monday, a specific percentage of the funds in the income account is automatically moved into the tax, profit, owner's pay, and OPEX accounts. I set it up once, and now my budgeting system runs on autopilot. I never forget to pay myself or set aside taxes, and I have total confidence that the money is where it needs to be. This frees up a huge amount of mental energy every single week. 3. Streamline team expenses and bookkeeping. As my business grew, so did my need for a team. Relay simplifies both team management and accounting. First, debit cards. You can issue physical or virtual debit cards to team members and, crucially, link each card to a specific account. I created a marketing card linked only to the marketing OPEX account and set a hard spending limit. If that account is empty, the card declines, no more accidental overspending or shared cards. I also get a text prompt for every card purchase to upload a receipt, which makes expense tracking incredibly easy. Second, bookkeeping. Relay directly integrates with QuickBooks Online and Xero. The transaction data syncs over clean, detailed, and categorized. My accountant loves this because it eliminates the messy manual work. It means I spend less time on monthly reconciliation and my books are always audit ready. On top of these 3 uses, the fact that their basic account has no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements is a huge relief for any small business concerned about overhead. Relay transformed my business from having confusing, commingled funds to a clear, disciplined, and automated financial system. If you are a small business owner who needs clarity and control over your cash flow, this is the tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.